All right, we're getting in some breaking news. The Prime Minister presently is speaking, and what he has said right now that what happened in Sindhugarh, Shivaji is like God to us. Shivaji के चरणों पर अपना सिर रखकर माफी मांगता हूँ. Okay, this is all related to the Chhatrapati Shivaji statue that fell down, and the Prime Minister now issuing a statement. He is also issuing an apology. In fact, he's saying कि उनके चरणों पर, that I bow down on his feet and apologize.
विकसित भारत के संकल्प का सबसे अहम हिस्सा है। इसलिए पिछले 10 वर्ष हो या अभी मेरी सरकार का तीसरा कार्यकाल, महाराष्ट्र के लिए लगातार बड़े फैसले लिए गए हैं। महाराष्ट्र के पास विकास के लिए जरूरी सामर्थ्य भी है, संसाधन भी है। यहां समुद्र के तट भी है। इन तटों से अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार का सदियों पुराना इतिहास भी है और यहां भविष्य की अपार संभावनाएं भी है। इन अवसरों का पूरा लाभ महाराष्ट्र को और देश को मिले, इसके लिए आज वाढवण पोर्ट की नींव रखी गई है। इस पोर्ट पर 76,000 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा खर्च किए जाएंगे। ये देश का सबसे बड़ा कंटेनर पोर्ट होगा। ये देश ही नहीं, दुनिया के सबसे गहरे पोर्ट में से एक महत्वपूर्ण पोर्ट होगा। आज देश के सभी कंटेनर पोर्ट से जितने कंटेनर आते जाते हैं, पूरे देश के टोटल की मैं बात कर रहा हूं, आज जितने टोटल आते जाते हैं उससे ज्यादा कंटेनर का काम अकेले वाढवण पोर्ट पर होने वाला है।
Okay, very interesting. The Prime Minister in Maharashtra today, he's laying the foundation stone of the Vadhavan Port project, which is worth crores of rupees. But let me get in CNN News 18's Aman. Aman, let me just talk about the statement, a very big one by the Prime Minister on the Shivaji statue collapse. He clearly realizes, you know, the sensitivity, the kind of emotion attached to the embarrassing collapse of the statue, and therefore the Prime Minister even talking about it.
Well, yes, Avantika, and you see that this issue has, got a lot of political brickbatting in the last few days. This statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which was installed at the Rajkot Fort during the Indian Navy celebrations a few months ago, its collapse has led to a complete political war of words in Maharashtra. And Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, a few days ago expressed regret over this incident. He also said that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has such an emotional connect with the people of the state, and he would even promised a full technical committee to investigate the lapses which had led to the collapse of the statue. Ajit Pawar, another key member of the coalition, had expressed his apology for the collapse of this statue, and the Maharashtra government had also said that the new grand statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj will be erected at this particular site. Today, the Prime Minister, being in Maharashtra, has taken the lead, expressed his regret. He said, "मेरा माथा शिवाजी महाराज के चरणों में मैं शीश झुकाता हूं और माफी मांगता हूं." इस पे that shows the amount of importance that the BJP now now attaches to this particular issue, and especially.
I may just kindly interrupt you. We have that reaction. Let's just play that out for our viewers. Listen into what the Prime Minister has to say about the statue collapse that took place, which, as Aman was saying, has sparked a massive political outcry in the state of Maharashtra. Listen in.
मेरे सभी साथियों के लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है। हमारे लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ये सिर्फ राजा महाराजा राजपुरुष मात्र नहीं है। हमारे लिए छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज आराध्य देव है। और मैं आज सर झुका करके मेरे आराध्य देव छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की उनके चरणों में मस्तक रख के माफी मांगता हूं।